in. That is great. So what I want to do now is I want to say, because I know I'm going to present, I want to join with computer audio. Now, if you've got a bad connection, call in. Use the phone audio instead. It wants me to test the speakers and microphone. I'll go ahead and do that. I'll make sure the right mic is on and the speakers are working. I will, trust me, I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I've got my video here. I'm going to come over here, and look, I have different cameras from which I can choose. That's great. And I'm going to say that I would like to use my webcam there, and then I would say I want to use my webcam microphone as well. That's perfect. Okay, and now if I hit start video, it ought to just, there I am. Hooray. Okay, which is me on top. You know, I recognize I've got two different cameras going. I have that mic going as well. So now I am ready to go if they come on. I'm going to mute this for obvious reasons. And then in a minute, I'm going to present. And that's the other thing I wanted to show you. So I'm supposed to present. So first of all, if I don't see these options, whoever's hosting the meeting, that person can give you permission to be a presenter. So if I come over here, I can hit share screen. And when I hit share screen, it's going to give me some options here. First of all, at the bottom of this, notice it has share sound. So if you're showing a video, make sure you hit share sound, and then you can just pull up whatever screen happens to have your video on there. So I know I want to share this, and I want to share the audio on it as well. So what will happen is I'm going to go back to my Zoom meeting, which I'll pull up here. And I've got a whole lot going on. So I've said I want to share the screen. And now what I want to do is I want to say which screen. And the screen that I want to share happens to be this one that my face is on, because underneath that is the YouTube, right? So I'm going to say I want to choose screen 4. I have share sound chosen. And I say optimize for video clip, because it could be a video clip. Okay. Now watch, if I hit share, all my Zoom junk disappears. Now, it turns out that I want to share this, but I shouldn't be doing it unless I have already queued it up so I don't have the dumb ad. So I've done that. Now, skipping ads, and I'm going to skip the trial. This is right where I want this beautiful clip to play from. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I want to show the whole screen, because I don't want to see the little box in there. When I hit the whole screen, though, my zoom function is going to disappear a little bit, and you'll see what that looks like in just a moment. Okay, now Camtasia isn't showing the whole screen, so you're going to have to sort of pretend that's what's going on here. But anyways, this is the video I want. I want them to see that. And if I hit play on that, and then I hit the whole screen, then it will take up the whole screen. But at the top, way up here, this is what you need to know, is when you do that, this is going to be at the top. And it's going to say you can share something else, or you can stop the video. You can just stop sharing entirely. Right now you're screen sharing, so I'm going to say, oh, I want to stop now. I'm done. Okay, and the Zoom thing comes back up. That's awesome. Now, in the background, I've still got this video playing, so I'm going to have to stop that. And I hit escape, and I'm out of the video. Great. And meanwhile, the people in Zoom land are seeing me again. I have this muted presently, but since I'm recorded on Camtasia, it doesn't matter. But if I wanted to talk to them, clearly I'd want to hit unmute. Anyways, and once I'm done with, if I want to leave the whole thing, I can hit leave. If I want to share screen again, I can just climb right back in with that. And then I can look at the other participants here, and I can chat with people there, which you may want to do. So if you have chat, it will show up over here, and you can have some background interaction going. With that said, that's how you will present. That's how you can present a video, how you can present a video with audio. And also, remember, at the very top is where you get back out of that when you're sharing your screen. And then somebody else can hop in, and they can share as well. And that whoever's hosting this thing has to have that set up properly, but it's pretty easy to do. Thanks so much.